Hey guys, welcome to our channel CJdropshipping. I'm Zoe. Cart abandonment is a term used in e-commerce to describe the situation when customers add products to their online cart or even begin the checkout process but leave the site before finishing their purchase. Many customers who visit your dropshipping store abandon their cart before finishing their purchase. The average abandonment rate is 68%, based on data compiled from 33 different shopping cart abandonment studies. Cart abandonment is one of the most crucial problems for dropshipping business to overcome. Imagine all the traffic you drive to your store by advertising, SEO, content marketing, social media marketing, or design attractive websites was wasted in the buying process. There are many simple things you can do to keep your abandoned cart rate down. In this video, I will introduce you guys to 10 ways to reduce your store cart abandonment. Before we jump into the content, light a like to show your interest to this topic. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell for further notification, so that you won't miss out on any latest dropshipping tips and the product recommendations. First, offer multiple payment options. There is data that 56% of online customers prefer to see a variety of payment options at the checkout. It is important to know about the payment gateway and your buyer persona to choose from various popular payment options. The basic cards include Visa, MasterCard, American Express, PayPal, etc., and the mobile payment systems such as Apple Pay and Google Pay are becoming increasingly popular, particularly among young generations. Try to offer as many payment options as possible for customers to choose from. 2. Build trust in the buying process. Trust is very important when customers make a purchase on your dropshipping store, and the customer hand over their personal and financial information for trust and want more reassurance on data security. Many customers abandon their cart because of trust badges were missing. Make sure you show the trust badges that are recognizable and commonplace, such as VeriSign, PayPal verified, etc. well-known security logos. Besides, don't forget to have a valid SSL certificate. If it's out of date or improperly installed, your customer will see a warning message in their browser that their connection may not be secure. 3. Optimize your page's load times. There is data from visual website optimizer that e-commerce shopping cart conversion rate drops 7% for every 1 second delay in your page loading. Thus, it's necessary to optimize your page's load time and try to make it as fast as possible. For example, your checkout page should be optimized as possible. Try to avoid a situation that slow load bags impatient customers to take their shopping elsewhere. In addition, your image should be balanced quality and speed. And you can also limit the use of ad network tracker, poorly implement tags, a social plugin, and others to optimize your page load times. 4. Reduce shipping price shock. Many customers abandon their shipping carts because of the expensive shipping costs. Make sure your shipping costs are transparent while customer is browsing through your products. Set a reasonable shipping rate for your store and offer a free shipping at both great choice. And free shipping is not really free. Add shipping costs to the product's price and use free shipping as one of the main selling points. Offering free shipping is one of the highest recommended e-commerce marketing strategies. Customers may add more items to their shopping cart for free shipping and more tend to accept the slow shipping choice. 5. Reinforce the benefit throughout the checkout. It would help if you reinforce the benefit throughout checkout to motivate your customers' desire to purchase. The benefit throughout checkout also optimize the customer's experience. Use "you are purchasing this" instead of order summary above the product's image at the checkout. You will reinforce the customer's decision to buy and subtly impact their perception of ownership, and you can show the free shipping message throughout the checkout. 6. Make navigation from shop to cart convenient. Many customers abandon carts because of overly complicated navigation. The more comfortable you make navigation, the more likely customer will stick with it and check out. There are a few ways that can help you make navigation easier. Identify the drop-off from the customer flow report and fix them. Create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Don't make them click the page back forward after adding a product to the cart. Keep the cart visible on every page so customers can quickly return to the shopping cart to complete the checkout at their convenience. 7. Use cart abandonment emails. You can use cart abandonment emails when customers leave the website without finishing their purchase. And you can use a series of more than one email to follow up with the customers until the cart is recovered persistently. Many customers abandon their carts unintentionally due to the external incidents such as site crash, slow load speed, or site timeout. In this situation, cart abandonment emails are useful because they remind and lead customers back to the site to finish their purchases. You can also offer a discount or free shipping code as an incentive to the customer who abandoned their carts. 8. Add social proof. Social proof showcases how your products have helped others alleviate the concern that they may regret buying the products. You can add social proof to help your store in different ways. Follow up with the customers and ask them to write a product review, feature reviews on product pages, and list the testimonial on other landing page of your site. Add applications to import customer reviews with pictures to show customers who else is purchasing your products and it actually looks like. 9. Use remarketing. Some cart abandonment situations can be prevented, but you can use the remarketing technique to retarget cookie visitors who previously visit your website with ad services. Retargeting helps you increase your brand awareness and convince visitors into paying customers. And doing social retargeting on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest generates better engagement and results because people can like, share, and discuss the ad posts. Present dynamic ads to those customers who abandon carts based on the product they view to try and win them back. 10. Identify leaks in your funnel. It's necessary to draw out as a detailed conversation funnel from the traffic to successful payment to have a clear picture of the process and identify leaks. You can examine the visitor flow and the conversation pathway in Google Analytics to identify leaks in your conversation funnel. It can slow your bottlenecks on the products page in the point where your traffic is dropping off before making it to the cart. Then you can target those pages to see what improvement needs to be made to improve the user experience. Here are the 10 tips to optimize your conversion rate and decrease the cart abandonment situation. Some changes are just a little tiny point but will make a huge difference. Why not try it out to see which tip is more useful and comment below to let us know. Don't forget to smash the like to show your support and subscribe to our channel. Share it on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest to your friends and family members. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching it. Have a nice day. Bye!